The newest single, I Don't Know Anything, is Modern English. Take it away, guys.
Concentrating, anticipating, confirmation of inspiration, and I don't know anything. Your states of grace. I've watched this world and how it turns, and I don't know anything. Concentrating, anticipating, confirmation of inspiration.
Yeah! Modern English, ladies and gentlemen. Come on over here, guys. Come on over and sit down and have a little chat here. That was great.
All right.
Thank you. Hi, Robbie.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing? Are you Nathan?
No, that's
Oh, Matthew.
That's a new one.
Nathan, that's the guy that I used to know in a band.
Whatever you want.
Okay, and this is Ted. Ted, how you doing? Nice,
I'm all right.
nice to have you with. Hey, is that a Nero jacket?
I don't know where it's from. Oh, it's from England. My drummer got it.
That's like, you know, what's old is new again. That was, you know
It's modern. It's you know what's going on in England, and our drummer, the little lad over there, he's got 4 or 5 of them.
Oh, really? So
Yeah, so
this
I
is
called-
back now in England?
Oh yeah, so
yeah,
I
big
called
time.
his mother up and
Big
said,
time.
"Can you send me?"
Uh-huh.
Shut it.
Well, it won't be long before you get the big medallion and put that on there, too. Remember?
That's a couple of years.
That's
Tomorrow. Take me glasses off so you can see my eyes.
You know, the thing I love most about your band is the bass player. The bass, like
Nick Denton.
way down here.
Yeah,
All the way from Paris, Nicholas Denton.
Boy, that's cool.
Yeah, that's Nicholas.
Are you guys having a good time?
Yeah.
Are you amazed? I mean, you guys, you're having a tremendous amount of success. I mean, did you ever expect this to become as big as you are now?
No, not at all, no.
No?
I mean, we were a punk band, you know, early days in the 80s before songs like I Melt With You. We were just a punk band. You could play about 3 chords. Now I can play 5. You know.
And that's all it takes, right?
All the best songs are 2 or 3 chords.
Uh-huh. So, do you have idols? I mean, who are your idols in the business?
Idols? Not really anybody.
No?
No, not really into idols. Maybe
Well-
soccer players, but not musicians.
He's a
Well,
manic soccer
if
player.
you're not punk now, then what do you call yourselves? Is it alternative rock,
Well,
or
that's
is it?
what a lot of the musical end want to call it, but you know, there's no designation. We write the way. I mean, all 3 of us write the way we want to write it. I think that's the punk attitude.
Ted's a trained musician.